Alrighty, welcome back to another video demonstration of the Auric Aromasphere and the Auric app. So today we're just going to quickly go through some of the features that are shipping with the pilot version of the Auric app alongside the Aromasphere unit. So in this first version of the app, we have 2 or 3 really key features that we think are going to be really most beneficial to the user as part of this pilot program. And I just want to quickly go through some of these. So first off, with quick diffuse, which is really the most simplest feature that we have available to us. So in here, you've got your 4 mood states: energy, sleep, calm, and focus. And within each of these categories of mood, we've got 5 or 6 different rituals, all that run at different intervals and have different combinations of oils with different quantities. When you're unsure which ritual you specifically want or like, this is a great place to start. So if you're feeling like, you've just started your morning, you want a bit of energy, you can click on the energy mood and it'll generate a quick little ritual for you to activate. It'll start the Aromasphere and away you go. So here we've got Joyful Harmony, which, as we can see, based on this timer here, we've got 20 minutes. It's a 20-minute ritual and it contains frankincense, peppermint, and eucalyptus. So we can drag this up here to learn more about this specific ritual. So it's a quick little explanation of what it is, where we think it might be useful in your day, as well as the duration and the quantities of the oils that we talked about. You can also link to a specific Spotify playlist. So if we click on the little music icon up here, it'll take us to Spotify. So obviously you need to link your Spotify account, but once you do, you'll have here a energy ritual to complement this specific ritual. So we can jump back over to the app. We can close the app as well by clicking this button, and we can obviously close it as well. So we can exit and stop if we're not a fan or if we need to stop that prematurely. So each of these will provide the same experience if you click on any 4 of these circles. To begin with, when you first get the app, these will be quite random, but the idea would be that the more you use the device, the more you use this platform, as you fill out these questionnaires, link your health biometrics, etc., the app will start to learn more about yourself and your preferences, and will start to provide more tailored ritual experiences to you. So that's quick diffuse in a nutshell. The second one is My Rituals, where you'll be able to actually schedule some rituals, as well as fill out your health questionnaires if you so choose, and also add in some recommendations on different rituals as well, which is coming out of the algorithm that's running in the background. So as you can see here, I've already got a handful of rituals already scheduled. So we can, in the top right corner here, click this plus symbol. This will give us a list of all the 26 rituals that we currently have available. So if you choose, you can come in here and select one specific one that you found that you liked. So say Energizing Harmony, you can click on that and you can click Begin Now, and that'll actually launch the ritual right now. Alternatively, we can choose to schedule a ritual. So we can click Add to My Rituals. It'll tell us how long, again, it's going to run for, and we can choose a start time for this. So this being a energy ritual, maybe I might have this start at, say, 7 a.m. And we can choose this to run on a Saturday and Sunday morning. So this will be a nice little ritual to wake up to on a lazy Sunday. Hit finish. And that'll add it. So you can also add it to your calendar as a little reminder. So we find this feature to be quite useful for, say, if you wanted to schedule a yoga session and you want to run some content alongside your yoga session, you can actually schedule it in your calendar to remind you to take some time out of your day to do that yoga session or have a bit of a meditation or relaxation. So we click No Thanks for Now, and that's added it. So then we can click back, close this off, and then we'll see here that we've added our Energizing Harmony. Now, if we find that maybe we're going to be going away for that weekend, so we don't want that to be running while we're not home, we can actually disable that as well. So now this won't run until we re-enable by clicking on this little tick box. If I decide that maybe I want to run it during the week as well, I can click this little edit icon here, click edit. We can change it to now run maybe Monday, Tuesday as well. Hit done, hit save. Or if we so choose, maybe we don't like this ritual anymore, we can also delete it. And that's it. So just to quickly reiterate here as well, we can click on this plus icon. We have the list of the full 26, but you can actually click on these little blurred out circles in the background. So up here, the top right, we've got the energy, and this will actually filter by energy. We've got sleep here as well. It'll filter all the sleep rituals. We've got and then focus as well. So that's a cool little tidbit, little shortcut. So here we've got also a recommendation. So we do have this Auric Wellness signature algorithm that we've got running in the background. So as I said earlier, the more you use this device, the more it'll learn from you. And you'll start to see that the recommendation system starts prompting you for different rituals. And this is based on what you like and what you dislike. It's based on the health questionnaire as well that you can fill out by clicking on this icon in the top of the screen here. So we can also just click here, set up ritual, give you information about ritual. So here it's Serene Dream. You can click on that to get information about it, including the oils and quantities and the time. And we can choose to schedule that as well. Or obviously you can also ignore it. Cool, so those are the two main features that we'll be shipping these Auric pilot units with for the moment. Cool, so that's the general overview of the Auric app as it sits today. Really excited to be getting some feedback from you guys on this. Thank you.